DIY glow cream video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and hit the subscribe button. So we'll directly start with the DIY video. So the things we require for the glow cream is rose water, glycerin, coconut oil, aloe vera gel and an empty container and a spoon to mix all the ingredients. So basically I'll be adding a few teaspoons of aloe vera gel in it. This is the main ingredient of our glow cream. So 3 teaspoons or tablespoons we'll call it. Sorry, it's tablespoons. Yeah. So around 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Yeah, and around 1¼ teaspoon of glycerin. Now I'll not measure rose water, I'll just roughly put, yeah, it's 1½ teaspoon of rose water, and we'll just mix the ingredients. So hello once again, and I'm done mixing the glow cream. As you all can see, the glow cream is gelish in texture and it is slightly green in color because the aloe vera gel was green in color. Now why am I looking to the right hand side? I am habitual to look to the screen, I don't look towards the camera. Okay, fine, now onwards I look to the camera. So after mixing, the gel cream looks like this. I'll take a pea size amount on the tip of my finger, yeah, and I'll just apply it on the back of my hand. So as you all can see, it is really easily blendable, and it this moisturized my hand. If you all can see, my hand is glowing, and this is the effect we have on our face or hands after we apply this glow cream. Now coming to the ingredients we used, the main ingredient of the glow cream is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has soothing properties in it, so it soothes our skin. It is medicinal also, and it's Ayurvedic. So there's no any reaction caused by the use of it. If you have pimples, breakouts or any allergies, aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties in it, so that if you apply it, even if you have pimples or breakouts, it will soothe it and it will heal your skin. So what you're supposed to do is just apply this glow cream to your face or any affected area, leave it on for overnight, and just you're supposed to wash it after you wake up. And after using it for a period of time, you'll notice a change in your skin tone, or your allergies will heal. So the second 2 ingredients we used were coconut oil and glycerin. So both of these ingredients have tremendous amount of moisturizing properties in it, and they help to retain the moisture from our skin. And the basic cause of wrinkles is less supply of oil to the skin areas, and that is why wrinkles are caused. So if you have dry skin, or if you have wrinkle prone skin or wrinkles, so you can use it as an anti-aging cream as well. And rose water also has soothing properties in it. So all the ingredients used in it are completely natural. They don't cause any reaction to your skin. And personally, I think instead of spending money on buying the products which have loads and loads of chemicals in it, and they harm your skin. So I'm not saying that completely ban buying these products. Even I am fond of cosmetics and makeup. Who doesn't like makeups? Is there any girl on this earth who doesn't like makeup? But occasionally you should try products like this, DIYs like this, so that your skin is healed from the chemical products you use on your skin. And I also suggest that avoid using makeup on daily basis if you don't need it. If you don't need it, try to avoid makeup someday and let your skin breathe the natural air, and it will really make your skin look glowy and very beautiful. So that's it for this video. See you all in my next video. Bye.